Hey, this is Jonathan, an arborist community expert, and this video is how to keep your saw running longer and more efficient. The two key things to keep that saw running well is clean the air filter and also to clean the cutting system. This is a trick I show all of my guys so that my saws last longer and run more efficient. What I have is a screwdriver brush right here. The screwdriver tip, I put in T27 Torx for the stills or the 4mm for the Huskies. Then on the back here, I just have a parts brush attached to it. This sleeve runs up and down on that parts brush to make it as stiff or as loose as you want. So here's my Stihl 200T. Here's my little parts brush screwdriver. First thing I do is I take off the air cleaner housing and then just give it a quick brush. Better than an air compressor, because the air compressor takes all the fuzz off the air filter. And start every day that way. That's how quick it is. I know everybody knows it, but without the brush, accessible, not everybody does that at the start of every day. Then after I'm done with that, take off the bar nut. And clean all that mess right there out. You're gonna need more bristle, so I'll slide that down. If you just do those two things, clean the air filter and your cutting system at the start every day when you gas and oil up, it'll really help you out, make your saws last longer, and just cut more efficiently. I really like this brush a lot. I just keep it in my truck right with my saw, part of the morning process. Clean the air filter, clean the cutting system, gas and oil up, and then go to work. It's a good way to make your saws last a lot longer. Well, I appreciate you watching. Hit that like button if you like the video. And if you have any comments, I'd love to hear them. Thank you.